Every smart product that you use depends on sensors. You may not notice them, but sensors are everywhere and are a part of phones, cars, robots, and even buildings. They make our lives easier and they keep us safe. Sensors are becoming both more prevalent and more complex, which is why sensor fusion is such a cutting-edge field. To navigate today's autonomous world, engineers program systems to perceive the environment around them.
In collaboration with Mercedes-Benz,
Udacity's Sensor Fusion Engineer Nanodegree program trains you to become one of these engineers. You'll work with real LiDAR, radar, and camera data from robots and self-driving cars. You'll use that data to detect and track moving objects. In fact, you'll fuse data from these various sensors to more fully perceive the surrounding environment. The skills you'll learn in sensor fusion will prepare you for jobs in industries ranging from self-driving cars to medical devices and even the Internet of Things. And as a Udacity graduate, you'll have a job-ready portfolio of real-world projects that will showcase your skills to employers. You'll be ahead of the curve as one of the most desirable engineering candidates for the countless industries that depend on sensors. Enroll in Udacity's Sensor Fusion Engineer Nanodegree program today.